Okay, welcome back. So right now, I will be showing you how to receive orders from your clients. So, now that we have our restaurant menu and QR code ready, and we are logged into our dashboard. Remember we had our QR code printed out, right? And you have printed this QR code and placed on different numbered tables, say number 1, number 2, and so on. You remember that, right? I suggest you use your own device, default QR code scanner, or download any free QR code scanner to use. Now, try the scan yourself and make an order. Let's say you ordered for our delicious Nigerian food amala and ewedu soup. Okay, good. So, what you want to do right now is to go to your management panel and go straight to your orders. Now, you can also check your dashboard and you will see that we now have one pending order right here, which you are yet to attend to. So, when you click the order, what you see is a panel and you should see our amala and ewedu soup. Right there, if you're ordered any other thing you should see them here too. Look, remember table numbers I told you about. Good. So the order here came from table number 9. See, you should also get sound notification on your mobile phone. Now, the customer at table 9 wants amala and ewedu. His name is Mike and he added a message, said, hurry. The price is right here, and take note of this little icon here, which is pending. You know this means you are yet to serve this guy? Yeah, but the second order, which is right here says completed, because it has been checked, see. So you need to go ahead and serve this guy, or send a waiter to him. You may want to see a little more detail, so what you want to do is come right here and click on view order. See that? You got all details right here, see? Everything in one place. When you have served the customer, what you want to do is go ahead and click this icon here. So it is marked, like this one over here. So I am gonna go ahead click it now, like this. See it? Completed, so the customer has been served. So, let us go back to the dashboard. Now one pending order has now gone and it's 0. So I believe we all know how to receive order now. But, wait, just before let you go, let me quickly show you this. So, when your customers are done and they need to call you back, all they need to do is to rescan that QR code and look out for the bell at the top right and hit it, and you just be getting another notification in your app to come over to his table. So, when you serve your customer, remember to tell them to do this when they are done.